Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya ingin memberikan pernyataan diri dosen dalam unjuk kerja Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi bidang pengajaran dalam sertifikasi dosen tahun 2025 mengenai deskripsi salah satu mata kuliah yang saya ampu, yaitu Bahasa Inggris 2. Perkenalkan, saya Ali Satri Effendi, dosen di Program Studi Administrasi Bisnis Politeknik LP3I Jakarta. Bahasa Inggris 2 merupakan mata kuliah yang diberikan pada seluruh mahasiswa Politeknik LP3I Jakarta, baik mahasiswa di Prodi Administrasi Bisnis Internasional, Komputer Akuntansi, maupun Manajemen Informatika. Mata kuliah ini memiliki bobot 4 SKS. Di mata kuliah ini, mahasiswa mempelajari berbagai materi yang erat kaitannya dengan kehidupan sehari-hari mereka, antara lain permission, request, past activities, hobbies, celebration, food and drink, countable and uncountable nouns, experiences, condition, and suggestion. Dan tentunya struktur kalimat yang berhubungan dengan materi-materi tersebut. Pada capaian pembelajaran mata kuliah, mahasiswa diharapkan dapat memiliki keterampilan komunikasi bahasa Inggris yang baik dan lancar, menerapkan tata bahasa, struktur, pengucapan kata, dan frasa dengan benar, serta mampu menulis paragraf naratif. Subcapaian pembelajaran mata kuliah meliputi dengan bahasa Inggris, mahasiswa diharapkan mampu meminta izin, melakukan permintaan, dan memberi tanggapan. Mahasiswa diharapkan mampu mengenali dan menggunakan bentuk lampau dari kata kerja di dalam kalimat, mampu berbicara tentang kegiatan masa lalu mereka, mampu berbicara tentang hobi yang pernah dan sedang dilakukan, mampu berbicara tentang perayaan yang akan berlangsung, mampu menggunakan kata benda yang dapat dihitung ataupun yang tidak dapat dihitung di dalam kalimat, mampu berbicara dengan topik tentang makanan dan minuman, mampu berbicara tentang tempat yang pernah mereka kunjungi, mampu menulis tentang tempat wisata yang pernah mereka kunjungi, mampu berbicara tentang kondisi kesehatan mereka, dan mampu berbicara dan memberikan nasihat serta saran. Capaian pembelajaran lulusan dalam hal pengetahuan yang dibebankan pada mata kuliah ini adalah mahasiswa diharapkan mampu berkomunikasi dengan bahasa Inggris secara lisan dan tulisan pada level menengah dengan memperhatikan tata bahasa, kosakata, pemahaman membaca, mendengar, berbicara, menulis, dan komunikasi efektif sesuai dengan standar Common European Framework of References atau SEFR. CPL sikap yang dibebankan pada mata kuliah ini adalah mahasiswa diharapkan menunjukkan sikap bertanggung jawab atas pekerjaan di bidang keahliannya secara mandiri. Sedangkan CPL keterampilan umum yang dibebankan pada mata kuliah ini adalah mahasiswa diharapkan mampu menunjukkan kinerja mandiri, bermutu, dan terukur. Basis penilaian mata kuliah ini terdiri dari aktivitas partisipatif mahasiswa, hasil project-based learning, serta penilaian kognitif yang terdiri dari tugas, formatif, kuis, UTS, dan UAS. Materi pembelajaran dan referensi dapat diakses melalui Rencana Pembelajaran Semester atau RPS, serta LMS Politeknik LP3I Jakarta. Pokok bahasan materi pembelajaran Bahasa Inggris 2 terbagi dalam 16 kali pertemuan, termasuk ujian tengah semester dan ujian akhir semester. Satu pertemuan terdiri dari 2 sesi. Pokok bahasan itu antara lain, pada pertemuan pertama, pokok bahasan yang disampaikan dan dipraktekkan adalah asking permission and making request, beserta respon yang diberikan. Pada pertemuan kedua dan ketiga, kami membahas dan mempraktekkan past form and past participle form of verb, past activities, hobbies, and TOEIC discussion. Pertemuan keempat, mahasiswa mempraktekkan kembali materi-materi sebelumnya dan selanjutnya diberikan written, listening, and speaking formative test. Pertemuan kelima dan keenam, kami membicarakan dan mendiskusikan tentang celebrations. Celebration in their town and celebration they are going to do. Will versus be going to. Pertemuan ketujuh, mahasiswa kembali mempraktekkan materi-materi yang sudah dipelajari dan selanjutnya diberikan written, listening, and speaking formative test. Di pertemuan ke-8, mahasiswa mengikuti ujian tengah semester yang terdiri dari written, listening, and speaking test. Setelah mahasiswa mengikuti ujian tengah semester, perkuliahan kembali dilanjutkan ke pertemuan selanjutnya. Pertemuan 9 dan 10 memiliki pokok bahasan talk about food and drink, countable and uncountable nouns. Pertemuan 11 dan 12, kami mendiskusikan dan membicarakan tentang places we have ever visited, present perfect, ever, and never. Pertemuan ke-13, material review, written, listening, and speaking formative test. Pertemuan 14 dan 15, kami mendiskusikan tentang health condition, suggestion, dan di akhir sesi, mahasiswa diberikan kembali material review. Di pertemuan ke-16, sebagai pertemuan terakhir, seluruh mahasiswa mengikuti ujian akhir semester. Metode pembelajaran yang digunakan dalam mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris 2 adalah Communicative Language Teaching yang menitik beratkan pada keberanian mahasiswa untuk berbicara dengan menggunakan bahasa Inggris, group discussion, role play, gamification, penggunaan permainan untuk praktek, quiz, baik secara tradisional maupun secara digital, dan project-based learning. Teknik penilaian berupa speaking test, written test, listening test, participatory, dan students video project. Adapun presentasi yang digunakan untuk penilaian meliputi kehadiran 10%, formatif 10%, tugas 25%, UTS 25%, dan UAS 30%. Kisi-kisi ujian tengah semester dan ujian akhir semester serta rubrik penilaian terdapat dalam rencana pembelajaran semester dan kontrak perkuliahan yang dapat diakses melalui LMS Politeknik LP3I Jakarta. Mahasiswa dapat melakukan komunikasi pembelajaran dengan saya, dosen pengampu mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris 2, melalui WhatsApp group, sosial media, dan email. Demikian deskripsi mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris 2. Semoga mahasiswa dapat mengikuti semua pembelajaran dengan baik dan penuh semangat. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, class. How are you today? Okay. Are you feeling okay today? Yes. Everything's okay? Yeah, because we are going to talk about our health condition. Apa itu health? Kesehatan. Minggu lalu kan kita sudah belajar should, shouldn't, sama why don't you. Should artinya apa? Harus. Kalau shouldn't, tidak harus. Kalau why don't you, kenapa kamu enggak apa? Jadi ini semuanya atau tiga ini should, shouldn't, sama why don't you itu tiga kata dan frasa dalam memberikan advice. Apa itu advice? Asking and giving advices. Coba kita lihat. Let's see the picture. What is she doing? Gimana Dikna? She is? Louder please.
She is holding her stomach.
Yes. No, she is holding her stomach aja ya. Where is she? She is in the garden. Another opinion maybe, where is she?
She is in the living room.
She is in the living room, boleh. Soalnya ini kan gambarnya abstrak ya, terbatas. Jadi you can all answers are accepted. Ada lagi, where is she?
She is in the dining room.
She is in the dining room, boleh. Ada lagi? She is in the kitchen. Okay. Ada jawaban out of the box. She is in the garden, in the park, misalnya. What does she feel?
She feels
She feels. Nah, tadi jawaban Tikna, she feels stomach ache. Bisa. What should she do if she feels stomach ache?
She should take medicine.
She should take a medicine. She should. She should take a rest. Boleh. Ada lagi?
She should go to the hospital.
She should go to the hospital. Kalau pakai shouldn't?
She shouldn't eat spicy.
She shouldn't eat spicy food. Boleh, that's good. Kalau pakai why doesn't she? Why doesn't she go to the doctor? Boleh, nggak apa-apa. Do you often feel this pain? Sering rasain ini?
Yes.
Yes, especially women ya. Every month. Okay, let's match this picture. These are regular illnesses that maybe you have experienced in your life. For example, picture A. What is picture A? Cough. What is picture B? Sore throat. What is picture C? Flu. What is that picture?
Fever.
Fever. Ada lagu judulnya Fever ya. Kamu bisa cek. What is picture E? A. Next picture. What is that picture?
Yes, sir.
Should we start ya? Sore eyes. What is that picture? Sunburn. And then what is picture H? Broken arm. And then what is this picture? Backache. And then the last? Stomachache. Oh, that's not the last. Next. What is picture K?
Sleeping
Problem. Yeah, problem sleeping of this one. What is picture I? Earache. And M?
Sprained ankle.
Sprained ankle. Oke, next. Supaya kita bisa lebih mengerti atau supaya kamu bisa lebih mengerti cara penggunaan should sama shouldn't sama why don't you, let's listen to track 8.1. Please listen carefully and then read the transcript on the whiteboard.
Hey, what's up? You look terrible.
I don't feel very well.
That's too bad. Have you taken any medicine?
No, I haven't. I've been so sick that I haven't been out of the house until now.
Well, maybe you should go home. You shouldn't go to class like that.
I know, but I have American history this morning.
Why don't you see the college doctor?
That's a good idea. I'll go at lunchtime.
After we listen to this dialogue, I would like to ask two students to practice this dialogue in front of the class. I would like to ask Abdul and Nadine, please practice this dialogue in front of the class. Ready? Siap? Oke, sekarang silakan praktekkan di depan kelas. Ya, semangat.
Hey, what's up? You look terrible.
I don't feel very well.
That's too bad. Have you taken any medicine?
No, I haven't. I've been so sick. That Mr. Wang.
It's okay, just keep Keep going,
No,
teruskan.
I haven't. I've been so sick that I haven't been out of the house until now.
Well, maybe you should go home. You know, you shouldn't go to the class like that.
I know, but I have an American history this morning.
Why don't you see the college doctor?
That's a good idea. I'll go at lunchtime.
If I were you, I'd see the doctor right now. Anyway, what's so important about American Story?
I've missed 3 classes already this semester. I can't miss another or I'll fail the course.
Wait a minute. American Story is with Mr. Philip, right?
Yeah, why?
He's not here today. There's a note on the bulletin board. The class is cancelled.
Give applause. Thank you so much. Thank you. Praktek cara memberikan nasihat atau advice. I would like to invite you to play a game which called Kahoot. So you can open kahoot.it and then put this in game and then write your name. You can write your nickname or your full name. Jadi buka kahoot.it ya, lalu masukkan pinnya dan masukkan nama. Kita main game. Oke? Ya, ada Lisha, SYG. Apa itu SYG? Maul. Itu apa jenips? Dwi, Nedin, Gazi. Gazi? Oh, Gazi itu Bagas. Revina. Nuh, Dikna doang yang jujur ya. Dikna Amelia. Saya klik mulai ya. Let's get the game started. Three, two, one. I think it's about to rain. Pick one advice. The most correct advice. One more answer. Siapa itu? Siapa itu yang salah? Kita lihat ya. Siapa yang salah ya? Siapa yang memimpin? Oh, Rara. Next question. You look very tired. What is the closest answer? Kalau orang capek itu apa you should work faster? Kalau orang capek itu apa you should eat more? Yeah, the answer is you shouldn't work hard. Ini dua orang nih. Dua orang ini kenapa ini? Ya, nah, Rara still number 1, Nadine number 2. Coba baca soalnya, Ra. Coba baca kalimatnya.
The pollution in the city is terrible.
The pollution in the city is terrible. Nah, siapa 3 orang itu? Hah? Yang biru itu we shouldn't use the public transportation. Okay. Okay, this is the score. Revina, could you please read the issue? What should you do when you cross the road while there are chickens? Itu 3 orang yang jawab hijau. You should make a tunnel to cross. Kamu seperjuangan itu. I would like you to give some tips on how should you keep your body healthy. Apa artinya nih? Bagaimana
Kamu harus menjaga badan kamu sehat.
ya bagaimana gimana sih caranya agar badan kita sehat gitu ya? Gimana sih caranya agar badan kamu sehat? So how should you keep your body healthy? Abdul, could you give us some tips?
Maybe we should take time for relax.
We should take time for relax. Okay. Bagas,
I think we should eat healthy food.
we should eat healthy food. What about you, Hanif?
I think we should sleep earlier.
Sleep earlier. Okay. Maulidia, what should we do to keep our body healthy? Should move around. You should move around. Keliling-keliling ya, sambil belajar. We should move around and shopping. Hikmah? We should maintain healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle bisa dibagi lagi. Lara?
We should reduce our sugar intake.
We should reduce our sugar intake. Nice. Nadine?
You should get enough sleep.
We should get enough sleep. Revina? We should take vitamins. Alicia?
You shouldn't eat too much junk food.
We shouldn't eat too much junk food. Okay, nice. Dewi, yeah? You raise your hand. Yeah.
You shouldn't skip meals.
You shouldn't skip meals. Meals apa tuh? Fruit. You bukan kegiatan diri. Meal. Rahmat?
We should
Run. Kamu biasanya lari di mana? Where do you run? Sumarekon, ya. Udah Sumarekon.
I had neck ache. Oh, you should stretch your body and or compress with cold water. Thank you.
I feel so cold right now. Oh no, we should wear jacket next time, Mom.
Yeah, you shouldn't wear such thin clothing. And why don't you try doing like a warm soup inside?
Okay, thank you for the advice.
You're welcome.
Guys, I have eating vegetables. I have problem eating vegetables. Why don't you turn them into snacks like spinach chips? Maybe you should start with small portion of vegetable you get. Oh my god, thank you guys.
Okay.
Hello guys, I have problems. I always sleep late.
Oh, you are always sleep late.
Yes,
Why don't you go to the doctor?
I don't have money because doctors are expensive.
Wow.
Do you have advice for me?
Clean. You should clean room and healthy.
Nice. Good idea. Thank you for advice.
Oh, did you listen to the assignment?
Sorry, no, I wasn't paying attention. I think it's about the professor.
Then let's ask somebody else. Hi, Rara.
What's up? Did you understand what the team project was about? We are listening. Can you explain it to us?
Sure. So we're supposed to make a financial report, and the deadline is this weekend.
Okay.
And by the way, the two of us are in the same group.
I see. With Tira and Dewi, right?
But I think they already left the classroom.
Let's go there before go too far.
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Dewi, Pira, hang on.
Right, what's wrong? Hi. So we were planning on being the available?
When? 1 p.m.
Sure. Where?
Do you want to do it at my house?
Sure. Go ahead. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Where is Dewi and Tira? They're taking so long to get here.
Just wait. I think it's so bad.
Hang on. She said that they're still on the way.
They really took their time, didn't they?
Maul, excuse me.
There you are. Come in.
But it took so long, guys. We've been waiting.
We were stuck in the trap.
Yeah, sorry, no bad.
You know what? It's fine. Let's just start working for it.
Okay.
Dewi, Tira, why are you guys on this party TikTok? I know, right? Everyone else is halfway done already, but you guys are still playing on your phone. So what? Chill, bro.
But this is a good project. So can you please do your work?
Yeah, can you guys just please at the very least finish your work first?
It's so hard. Let's take a break.
Yeah, just relax. We can look at yours or Maul's answers. Ha! As if it's called a group project. That means that all of us should work, not just some of us.
We're good, we're good.
Later, we have to finish it now. Don't be lazy.
Wait a minute.
If you guys don't want to do it, you should have just said so.
We are looking for inspiration, you know? There are so many ideas on TikTok.
Looking for inspiration on TikTok? Seriously? That's just an excuse. This must be a joke.
We're not joking around. We are thinking out of the box.
That sounds more like out of the group. Bro, there's only 2 days left for this assignment. If we don't finish this now, we are over.
Yeah, it's not funny, right? If you got a bad grade just because of this.
Guys, I'm worried. But if we don't finish on time, we may have to repeat this course.
Ella, please stop worrying about it. Yeah, I have to. Sorry, I was too relaxed.
Thank you guys. If we work together, this assignment will be done in a minute.
I'll try my best.
Making peace with each other is beautiful, right? Now, will you guys mind if I play a game for a second? Sorry.
Where's your work?
Here, instead.
Okay, now we work together. Dewi, you can help Maul on taking the journal.
Okay, Rara.
Then me and Pira will be checked on the trial balance.
Yes, sir.
There we go. Let's do it, guys.
I feel so relieved now. Finally, we can work well together.
Honestly, I was so confused, but I'm sure that if we work together, everything will be fine.
It's fine, Pira. If there's any problem, we can discuss it together.
Yeah, I thought it would be better to not work at all rather than making a mistake. You don't have to be afraid of making a mistake. What's important is to try it first.
We have to think positively that we can do it.